Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. So today we are installing auto dimming IRVM in Grand Vitara's lower variant. Maruti has got similar auto IRVM for all its cars, whether it's Baleno, whether it's Ciaz, whether it is Grand Vitara. They all have the same kind of mirrors, auto IRVM assembly. So we've ordered the parts. Let's look at it. So we've ordered this part from Maruti. These are the two covers which go at the back of the auto IRVM, and this is the auto IRVM. So this is the auto IRVM. So it is the same auto IRVM which is present in Ciaz, Baleno, Grand Vitara, and all cars of Maruti wherever they are giving this auto dimming mirror. So this auto dimming mirror is really very good. It will, once you are driving at night, the traffic which is from the rear end, the light will dim automatically. Otherwise, in the manual, you have to just flip the IRVM. So here we got it ordered, but unfortunately, what we did was we didn't order the coupler. So we went to the scrap market and we were able to get the coupler. And whenever you have to order the auto IRVM, two mirror covers, which are these which I'm showing you. These are two covers which cover the wire. These two covers, I just show you again. So these two are the covers. So this is the wire which we made, and what we will be doing is we will be installing it in such a way that we don't have to switch it on and off again. So we have got the ACC fuse. I will just show you in which fuse section you have to place it. So this is the wire. So this is the coupler which we got from the scrap market. This is the coupler. I'll show you here. So this is the coupler, and we have made the wiring. These are the proper sleeves. We have made the wiring. I will just ask my friend to just hold it to just show you the wire. So this is the wire you got. Yes. So it's completely in the sleeves. So sleeves are there, and here we have the fuse tab, and this will go to the earth. So how to install it? So what we will doing, so you have to remove the original mirror, which you can get it from any mechanic of your area. Once that is removed, this one it is a direct fit, and the only thing you have to ensure is if you are ordering a specific auto dimming mirror, if you are ordering Grand Vitara, so order this mirror of Grand Vitara only. For Baleno, to your Balenos. So that is the catch, because sometimes if you order of XL6, this one is from XL6 supposedly, and you are fitting it in Grand Vitara, it may not fit. So जैसा कि आपने देखा है कि हमारे पास ऑटो डिमिंग मिरर है. आई थिंक इसकी जो कॉस्ट है वो आई थिंक 4000 के अराउंड इसकी कॉस्ट है. मिरर्स की जो मिरर के कवर हैं वो 150-200 रुपये की हैं. वायरिंग हमें जो स्क्रैप में मिली वो थोड़ी सी हमें महंगी मिली. अगर आपको वायरिंग भी मंगवानी है तो वो भी आप ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, बट इट टेक्स टाइम. सो दिस इज़ एंड टाइम, हमको सिर्फ टाइम वायर बनाने में लगा. दिस इज़ द फ्यूज टैप, right, and this is it. So in the next video, in the next part of the video, I will be telling you where to get the fuse tab and how you install this. So that would be in the next part of the video. So we are back on our workstation. This is Grand Vitara. I'll just show you the car. Just showing you the car. So this is Grand Vitara we are installing. This is of my friend Imtiaz, and he's a banker by profession. So this is Imtiaz sir, whose car is brought for surgery today. So we have removed the trim. We have removed this trim, and we have removed the glove box also to get access to the fuse box if we have some light. Yeah. So first step is to, so what you do is show you the removal. This IRVM has been removed, so this is where it will go. So this is the IRVM, and here is so this will directly be placed over here, and there will be a screw. You can see there is a socket, there is a screw. So yes, so we keep the IRVM at the back. So the first step is to see the first step is to locate the ACC. So we got into the owner's manual, and we've selected the fuse number 32, right? Yeah. 32 number fuse is the ACC fuse. So I'm just showing you how to check it. So I've got this this is the I've got this device. It's a small device which tells you which fuse you are in. So Imtiaz will just get the car into the ACC mode, and we will be checking the that whether the fuse is correct or not, right? So we are just now I'm just putting the earth over here. So if you can just start the car. You could put in ACC. The car is now in ACC, right? So Imtiaz will. So this car is currently in the ACC. So I will just select this 32 number fuse, and the light will glow over there. So this is. I think I'm not going straight. Yeah. So this is so I will just check it. Here we are checking, and we are in. Yeah, this is the correct fuse. Yeah, this is we are in the 32 number fuse. So this is the correct fuse. Light blinked when I placed the device over there. So we are sure now that this is the fuse tap we have to go in. You got the light initially. Yeah, so this is the final fuse which we will be going in. So let's just have a trial of it. So firstly we will be getting a wire. Yeah. So now we will just have a trial mode. We are into the trial mode. We just try, and then we will fix it finally. So we are just, so this is the fuse tap. You know, we will placing the fuse tap over there. एक बारी गाड़ी बंद कर दो सर, है ना? Yeah. So we'll just, the car is switched off, and we'll just be putting the fuse tap. So we have put the fuse tap over here, and the neutral we are giving over here. So I will ask my friend to hold it. Neutral we are giving over here. This is testing. We're just testing, and now we will be putting the. So this is the auto IRVM. We're putting the auto IRVM here, and let's put the coupler. So we're putting the coupler in. So let's just start the car. So get into the ACC mode. Yes. So you see the auto function is started. So it is blinking. So we are in the ACC mode currently. So we are in the ACC mode, and so this is on, and we switch it off now. So you can see the mirror. So you see how it changes. Once I, so you see now it's once I change it to auto, you see there's a kind of a tinge coming. So this is how it functions. So now we have tested it, and now we will do just wiring, and then we will be showing you the demo for the auto IRVM function in Grand Vitara. Yeah. So we have installed the auto IRVM. It's getting dark because only in the dark we can get the right kind of impression how it works. So the wiring is all sleeved. This is not a wire is this one. So it is all sleeved, and we'll just fix it, and then we will show you what we have achieved.